In this video, I am going to show you how to install Langflow locally in your PC. First open up VS Code, go to Files, click New Folder and right click, select New. I am naming the folder as Langflow. Now click on the terminal, new terminal, and we need to activate the virtual environment. For that, we need to type in /venv/scripts/activate and click enter. Now our virtual environment has been created. Now type pip install Langflow. It will take some time as I have already installed Langflow. I will cancel it. I am pressing Ctrl C to cancel it. You can continue the download. Now we need to run the Langflow. For that, type Langflow run. Now click on the link here. This will start a local server and open Langflow in your browser.